All right. So again, we're supposed to solve. This time we have x to the fourth is equal to 256. So what we need to do is we need to take the fourth root of x to the fourth. So we're going to take that to the 1/4. And we're also going to take 256 and raise it to the 1/4 power. Now, the key with when we take this one, we're also going to have to take plus or minus because we could have either positive ones or negative ones working. And if we go back and think about this, we've done a problem before and we had 16 times 16. That was 256. So what we have to think about is we're going to have 16 squared times 16 squared is what we have. And so we're going to have to take the fourth root of that. So that's going to be basically a 4 or a minus 4. Okay. So that's going to be our solution to this case. Because, well, yeah, so that's we're going to do it because that's what it would be. That one squared, and we don't need to write it twice. I don't know why I wrote it twice. Yeah, so it's that squared, and what I meant to write, I guess, twice was equal to 4 squared times 4 squared, because each one of these 16s is a 4, and that's squared, and that's really what I meant to write twice. Okay, and so then when we take the fourth root of this, that's when we get the 4. But again, because it was even, we had to do plus or minus. All right, so this one, I think the first thing we need to do is we need to get the root on its by itself. So let's divide by 2. So that gives us x plus 1 to the fourth equals, and that's going to be what, 81? Okay. Now we'll take this to the 1/4 power, and we'll take this to the 1/4 power. And remember, since it's an even number, we take plus or minus. And now we think about what is 81. Well, 81 is 9 times 9, which is 3 squared times 3 squared. And so that's going to be plus or minus 3 due to that plus or minus here. So then we're going to have x plus 1 equals plus or minus 3. Now, if we do it, x plus 1 equals 3, and then x plus 1 equals a minus 3. We're going to have two solutions. All right. So if we subtract 1, x is equal to 2. If we subtract 1, x equals a minus 4. Okay. Now let's check those. So if we plug a minus 4 in here, minus 4 plus 1 is a minus 3. Minus 3 times minus 3 is 9, and then 9 times 9 is 81, times 2 is 162, so that works. Now if we take 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 times 3 is 9, and then 9 times 9 is 81, times 2 is 162, so that one works. So we have two solutions for this one. Okay. All right, let's pause there. We'll come back for some more.